Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why keeping trailer maintenance records protects your fleet, safety, and bottom line. When you run a trailer fleet, maintenance is never a once-and-done job. Trailers hit the road daily, tackle heavy loads, and face rough weather or long waits in the yard. Regular service keeps them safe and reliable, but it's easy to lose track when you're busy, especially if you don't document what's been done and when. That's where detailed maintenance records make all the difference. They give you proof of care, spot patterns before they become expensive problems, and help you meet safety rules. Good records mean fewer surprises, less downtime, and more control over your equipment, plus peace of mind for everyone who counts on those trailers. Regulatory and legal requirements for trailer maintenance records. When you run commercial trailers, you're not just keeping records for your own peace of mind. Regulations from government agencies and industry standards are clear. Up-to-date maintenance documentation is not optional. These requirements help make roads safer, keep your fleet legal, and protect you if something goes wrong. Federal and state regulations. In the United States, the Department of Transportation, DOT, and the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, set the rules for keeping maintenance records. If your trailers cross state lines or handle commercial loads, you must follow these guidelines. 49 CFR Part 396. This federal rule says motor carriers need to keep detailed maintenance and inspection records. Records must cover each trailer and prove that all repairs, parts replaced, and inspections are completed on time. Record retention. Maintenance records must be kept for at least 1 year while the trailer is in use, and for 6 months after it's sold or removed from your fleet. State rules. Some states add extra requirements. It's smart to check your local Department of Transportation or DMV website to stay on top of any changes. The upshot? If you operate a commercial trailer, maintenance records aren't negotiable, they're the law. Industry standards and best practices. Even when not legally required, top players in trucking and shipping follow industry best practices for record keeping. These practices build trust and help manage risk. Standards include keeping logs for all repairs and replacements, having written checklists for pre-trip and post-trip inspections, archiving electronic records in a way that makes them easy to find if asked. Insurers and clients often ask for this paperwork. Good records can help you win contracts and sometimes lower insurance rates. Penalties for non-compliance. Skipping maintenance records can come back to bite you. Here's what you might face. Fines. Audits can lead to thousands in fines per missing or incomplete record. Out-of-service orders. Missing records can get your trailers pulled off the road until you get things in order. Legal risk. If there's an accident and you can't prove a trailer was maintained, you might face lawsuits, higher insurance costs, or loss of business contracts. Lost trust. Sloppy record keeping can damage your reputation with customers, insurers, and partners. In this field, forgetting isn't just a headache, it can cost you big. Keeping clean, complete records is the simplest way to protect your fleet, your drivers, and your bottom line. Benefits of maintaining detailed trailer maintenance records. Keeping thorough maintenance records isn't just a paperwork chore, it's your ticket to smoother operations and better returns on every trailer you own. With detailed records, you cut out guesswork, make smarter decisions, and keep your trailers rolling safely and efficiently. Below are key reasons smart fleet owners never skip this step. Enhanced safety and accident prevention. A well-documented maintenance log keeps everyone safer on the road. When you know exactly what's been checked, fixed, or replaced, and when, it's much easier to catch small issues before they turn into big hazards. Routine checks like brake inspections, tire rotation, and lighting repairs are logged and tracked. This reduces the risk of sudden mechanical failure. Accident prevention. Detailed records show a clear history of care. If something goes wrong, you have proof that safety steps were taken. Peace of mind. Drivers and managers feel secure knowing there's a history to back up every trip. Making safety part of your paperwork pays off with fewer incidents, less liability, and more trust from everyone on your team. Increased lifespan and asset value. Every trailer is an investment. The right records keep that investment healthy for the long haul. When buyers or auditors review your trailer's history, detailed reports can make or break a sale. Extending road life. Regular service based on records means less wear and tear. Trailers stay on the road longer, so you get more use from every dollar spent. Resale advantage. Prospective buyers want proof a trailer was cared for. Clean records often lead to faster sales and better prices. Depreciation control. Trailers maintained on schedule lose value more slowly because they stay in good working order. With a history of repairs, oil changes, and upgrades, you hold the cards when it's time to sell or trade. Improved operational efficiency. When you can see exactly what maintenance each trailer needs and when it's due, you save time, cut costs, and avoid surprises. Preventative scheduling. Records show which parts break down most and when. You can plan service windows around real-world data, not gut feelings. Less downtime. Catching problems early means trailers spend less time in the shop and more time earning money. Streamlined workload. Maintenance teams waste less time hunting for service details. With clear logs, your crew knows what's been done and what's next. In short, strong record-keeping shifts your maintenance approach from reacting to problems to staying one step ahead. This puts you in control of costs and keeps your fleet moving without unexpected stops. Key elements to include in trailer maintenance records. Keeping track of trailer maintenance is more than ticking boxes. Well-built records give you the power to spot problems early, answer any regulator's questions, and back up every repair. Getting the details right matters just as much as doing the job in the first place. Let's look at what you should record and how you should keep those records for the best results. Essential data points. When building your maintenance records, you want more than a few scattered notes. Each entry should tell the whole story, making it easy to spot trends and answer questions fast. Here's a breakdown of the core info every trailer maintenance record needs. Date of service. Every record starts here. It tells you when work was done and helps build a timeline for future planning. Trailer identification. List the trailer number, VIN, or license plate. This detail keeps records tied to the right unit, even if you swap numbers or sell a trailer. Service type. Spell out what kind of service took place: routine inspection, emergency repair, oil change, brake check, or tire replacement. Parts replaced or repaired. Note every part touched. Include part numbers if possible, along with a quick summary, e.g., left rear brake pad, full hub assembly, side marker light. Technician information. Record the name and, if available, the technician's ID number or shop. If you use outside vendors, include company details. Mileage or hours. Capture odometer or hour meter readings at the time of service. This helps you spot patterns and plan future maintenance intervals. Comments and findings. Space for notes is key. Technicians can add warnings, suggestions, or observations about issues spotted during the service. Next scheduled maintenance date. Set yourself up for the next job. Include when and what service is due next to keep maintenance on track. Try building your templates with these points in mind. Doing so will keep your records sharp and useful for years to come. That wraps up Part 1. We've covered how vital trailer maintenance records are and the risks of not keeping them. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore the benefits and best practices in more detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.